Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can shift your TikTok to Pro account. It's simple, simply start by opening TikTok. Then as you can see our TikTok is opened, so to change your TikTok, go to last button of profile menu. So now that you are here, know that if your TikTok to Pro, this menu button between your profile will change, so simply start by clicking this top right corner dots. Then after getting this results, go on Manage Account. Then click on Switch to Pro account. Then wait for the further results while it processes. Then after getting this results, you will be given a chance to either make it a creator channel or a business account. So if you are a creator who makes creative contents, simply choose creator, and if you are a business creator, simply choose business account for it. So for us let's choose creator, then go on next. Then from here you can choose the category you want your account to be, and as you can see we have so many category to choose from. We have education, entertainment, media, sports, shopping, and so much more. Then for us let's choose entertainment, then choose next. And as you can see from here is where you can choose your gender either male or female, so after selecting it, choose done. And as you can see your TikTok is done being a Pro account, so now you can access most of the features that were hidden. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe.